Hello students, welcome to maths class. Right, we are dealing with the topic plane, right? So in previous class we have taken the definition and the general equation of the plane we have taken, and we did some problems also, exercise problems. In this topic you are having only one exercise. Okay, so now we are continuing, right? We are doing the problems from that same exercise. So come on, first question, find the equation of the plane, right, whose intercepts on x, y, z axis are 1, 2, 4 respectively. Actually we did two problems, intercept problems in previous class. In first question, reduce the equation into intercept form, they asked. In second question, they asked find the x-intercept, y-intercept, z-intercept. Find the intercepts of the plane, second question. Here, intercepts are given to you, write the plane equation. That means we have to find that plane equation which contains these intercepts, x, y, z intercepts. Okay. So actually if plane is given, we will reduce into intercept form, isn't it? First question. Second question, find the intercepts, x-intercept, y-intercept, z-intercept. So after reducing, we will see what is the value below x, that is x-intercept, what is the value below y, that is called y-intercept, what is the value below z, that is z-intercept. Here intercepts are given to you, we have to find the required plane equation. So come on, how we will solve this one? First one, find the equation of the plane whose intercepts on x, y, z axis are 1, 2, 4. So first write down what is the given information to you, right? Given that x-intercept, right, x-intercept, right, it is denoted by a is equal to 1. Y-intercept is given to you, y-intercept, that is b, is given as 2, z-intercept, so z-intercept c is given as 4, right. So here we have to find the plane equation which contains these intercepts. Generally what is the equation of the plane in intercept form? Equation of plane, right, in intercept form, right, intercept form is, what is that? It is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. You know what is your a, what is your b, what is your c, right? So it is x by a is 1 plus y by b is 2 plus z by c is 4 is equal to 1. So here intercepts are given, write the plane equation means general equation. At the end we should get plane equation as a general equation. General equation means ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 form. Okay, so that's why take the LCM. LCM is 4, so it is 4x plus 2y, here 2 to the 4, here 4 is there, so z into 1 is equal to 1, right. Then it is 4x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4, and come on, write down, it is 4x plus 2y plus z minus 4 is equal to 0 is the required plane equation. They have given the intercepts, we have to write the plane equation reversely, isn't it? In first question in previous class, they have given plane equation like this and reduce into intercept form. Here intercepts are given to you, write the general equation of the plane, that is the question. So very simple, a, b, c values are given to you. So you know the intercept form, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Substitute and simplify, you will get your required plane equation. Okay. Next, come to the second question. What is your second question? Reduce the equation right, into normal form, reduce the equation of the plane into normal form. So same like our line equation, straight lines, there you got it, reduce this equation into intercept form, normal form. How we did? First right side positive number should come, not 1, just positive number right side. After that we have to divide both sides with the root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square, that is in lines. So in planes along with x and y you are having z coordinate also. So here also same thing, right side we have to get a positive value. After that divide both sides with the root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square plus z coefficient whole square. So here extra term is that one. If you do it, you will get your normal form. Okay. So come on, given plane equation is, right, plane equation is, what is the plane equation to you? It is x plus 2y minus 3z minus 6 is equal to 0. What I said? First try to get right side positive value. I am not saying right side 1. In intercept form it is right side we have to get 1, but here right side we have to take only constant value, that should be positive, right. So send this minus 6 that side, then you will have x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 6. Okay. Now divide, right, you have to divide square root of x coefficient whole square 1 square, y coefficient whole square, z coefficient whole square on both sides of this equation of 1. Okay. So what is the value of root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square? 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, this is 9. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, root 14. Okay. So x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 6 by root 14 by root 14. Okay, both sides we have to divide. So now write this one like this, coefficient into its variable, right, 2 by root 14 into y minus 3 by root 14 is equal to 6 by root 14 is normal form, right girls. So we have to find the normal form, or we have to transform, we have to reduce, we have to convert the normal plane equation, normal general plane equation into normal form, right. So general plane equation will be always in the form of ax plus by plus cz is equal to d form. Normal form means this is the procedure. First try to get right side constant value, it should be positive. After that divide both sides with the root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square plus z coefficient whole square. Okay. Then coefficient into variable, coefficient into variable, coefficient into variable, right. Then you will get your normal equation. Okay. So now come to the third question. So what is your third question? Find the equation of the plane passing through minus 2, 1, 3 and having 3, minus 4, minus 5, 4 as direction ratios of its normal. So you got one point which passes through the plane is given to you and the direction ratios of the normal of the plane is given to you, right. So first of all, what is the given information? We will write, given that one point passes through the plane, minus 2, 1, 3 passes through the plane, right. We have to find such type of plane, right, on which minus 2, 1, 3 passing, right, passes through the plane. plane which passes through this point, and also direction ratios of normal of the plane is given to us. Normal of plane. What are those? 3, -5, 4. Right? Direction ratios of the normal of a plane. Okay. So now equation, there is one formula, equation of a plane passing through which point? X1, Y1, Z1, and having the direction ratios of normal of the plane, right? Normal. Having direction ratios of normal of plane A, B, C is, we are writing that plane which passes through x1, y1, z1 and which is having direction ratios of the normal of plane ABC is A into, it is a formula, standard formula, A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Equation of the plane which passes through x1, y1, z1 and having direction ratios of the plane ABC is this one. Okay. So, therefore, required plane equation is, required plane equation is, come on, what is required plane equation? ABC, ABC, these are x1, y1, z1. So, A into, that is 3 into, okay. So, x minus x1 minus 2, minus of minus plus 2 plus B into, what is our B value? Minus 5, right. Minus 5 into y minus y1 is 1, right. Plus C into, C is 4, right. Z minus Z1 is 3 is equal to 0. So, it is 3x, 3 2s are 6, minus 5y, minus of minus plus 5 plus 4z minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 0. Okay. So, what is your equation writing in the order? 3x minus 5y plus 4z, come on. Next, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 minus 12 is minus 1 is equal to 0 is required plane equation. Okay. So, this is the required plane equation. So, there is a formula if we know the point passing through the plane and if we know the direction ratios of the normal of the plane. Normal means the line which is perpendicular to the plane is called a normal, right. That line's direction ratios are ABC. Suppose any plane is passing through x1, y1, z1 and its normal's direction ratios are A, B, C are given to us, then that plane equation can be taken as A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 is equal to 0. So, already we got x1, y1, z1, it passes through that point and direction ratios A, B, C. Substitute and simplify, you will get your required plane equation. Okay. So, next come to the fourth question. What is your fourth question? Find the direction cosines of normal to this plane. So, first write down what is the given plane equation is. Given plane equation is, what is the given plane equation to you? It is x plus 2y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So, is of the form, which form? Is of the form, general form, isn't it? What is that? Ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, implies a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 2 and d is equal to minus 4. So, if the plane equation is in the general form, the direction ratios ABC, right? So, ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Then, if we want to find the direction cosines of its normal, is a formula again, right? So, direction cosines, right? Cosines of normal to plane. Which plane? General equation form ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is, the formula is a by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Next, b by root of a square plus b square plus c square, c by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So, to write this one, what is our ABC? We know it. So, we want only root of a square plus b square plus c square. So, root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So, is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to root 9, that is 3. Okay. So, therefore, direction cosines are, what are the direction cosines? A by root of this, that is 1 by 3, b is 2 root of that value, next c by this one. So, this is the answer. So, all problems entirely depends on the formula. So, the direction cosines of the normal to the plane formula is a by root of a square plus b square plus c square, b by root of, that means we need that root of a square plus b square plus c square. Already we know by comparing the plane equation with the general equation a, b, c, d values. So, you find out root of a square plus b square plus c square value. So, it is root 9, that is 3. So, you take direction cosines, right? What are those? A by root of that, b by, c by, you got your direction cosines of the normal to the plane, right? So, these are the ABC are direction ratios of normal to plane, direction ratios. ABC are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane, and a by root of a square plus b square plus c square, b by root of a square plus b square plus c square, c by root of a square plus b square plus c square are the direction cosines of the normal to the plane, right? Direction ratios of normal ABC, right? And direction cosines of the normal to the plane we are finding. Okay. So, that is our fourth question. So, we did all 4 problems, right? So, first intercepts are given and form the general equation of the plane, just substituting in intercept form. Second one, we have to reduce that into normal form, just like a line equation, right? Next, third one, plane passes through one point and direction ratios of the normal of the plane are given to you. Whenever one point on the plane is given, direction ratios of the normal are given, then plane equation can be taken by this formula. Substitute and simplify, you will get your required plane equation. And fourth question, find the direction cosines of the normal to the plane. So, A, B, C are direction ratios of the normal to the plane. So, just comparing we will get direction ratios of the normal, but question is on direction cosines. So, how we will get? Again it is a formula. For that we need root of a square plus b square plus c square. Find out and substitute, you will get your answer. Okay, simple problems and be clear with the concepts. Okay, practice these problems perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.